everyone, welcome back to my channel, and announcing that there is going to be a giveaway of the Doggie Bandana collar for Valentine's Day for your pup. It is double-sided, and to be entered into the drawing for the bandana collar, you have to be a subscriber because the generator that I use only for subscribers to my channel. Let's see. This is awesome. Look at it. It is so pretty. Look at the details. See my stitching? So it is made with love from me to the winner. And then also this is for a female. It fits like a Shih Tzu up to 10 pounds nicely. It does fit nicely around the dog. If you watch my video before, you'll see how it fits on a Shih Tzu, which I make different ones as well, which you can purchase from my Etsy store, which will be linked down below. And then also make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of what's going on next with me, what I post on here. And then I'll also post my Etsy store, so if you guys would like to purchase it, if you're not a winner, I'm sorry. But you also can purchase it for your baby. And then also what's going to happen is that since this is for a female, if you look at my video before this one, you will see that I did a 4th of July one, which is like the red, the blue fireworks. So if it is a male, your dog is a male, I will send you that one. And if it's a female, you will get the Valentine's Day one. Thanks for coming to my channel. And thanks for entering to my drawing. And then also, thanks for purchasing from my Etsy store if you decide to. Purchase the Doggie Bandana collar. It is so cute. But the giveaway ends. So hurry up and enter. It ends January 31st. So I can get them out to you before Valentine's Day for your puppy, or your baby, or your dog. Fits, don't forget, 10 pounds, up to 10 pounds. So, thank you for watching and subscribing, and hopefully you're the winner. Bye. Thank you.